Professional voiceover artists charge $100 to $500 per video. ElevenLabs lets you clone your own voice for free and generate unlimited variations. Here's how to do it right. You need 3 to 5 minutes of clean audio. Record in a quiet room, speak naturally, and include various emotions. I'll show you the exact settings for your phone or USB mic. Upload to ElevenLabs. Adjust stability and clarity settings, and test with different text samples. The free tier gives you 10,000 characters per month, enough for 2 to 3 YouTube videos. Use SSML tags for pauses and emphasis. Adjust the similarity slider to balance naturalness versus accuracy. Generate multiple takes and edit the best parts together. Full screen walkthrough of the ElevenLabs dashboard, from uploading voice samples to generating the first voiceover, with an IB comparison of real voice versus AI clone. Can you tell which parts of this video use my real voice versus the AI clone? Comment your guess below. Subscribe for more AI voice and audio tutorials.